Heather from CysterWigs.com, and I'm bringing you yet another luscious wig from our house brand. This is the Kate Mono SF. She has a monofilament top as well as a beautiful lace front. In case you wonder what the SF stands for, it stands for super front. It's a super fine Swiss lace front. It's nice and pliable. It's very delicate, so you have to be careful when you're handling it and applying the wig to your head. But the lace is extremely transparent and it is a very fine grade, so that way it doesn't scratch as much up against your forehead. It's really nice. And once it warms up to the temperature of your actual skin, you won't really feel the lace at all. And in full disclosure, I'm wearing minimal makeup in this video because in real life, IRL, I don't actually wear full drag. Like, I don't. This is about what I wear on a daily basis. Just a little bit of concealer, a little bit of lip gloss, maybe some mascara, and away I go. So I want to show you what this looks like because the right wig in the right color does not require a full face of makeup in order for you to pull it off. If you pick the right wig in the right color, even a really glam one like this Kate Mono, it will still work as an everyday unit. You just kind of have to make sure you're picking the right color. And a lot of you already know that. I just want to sort of get that out there for the newbies. I also want to let you know that if you keep watching towards the middle of this video, I will show you what this wig looks like with full drag. In every single color, just like I do with all of the house label hair. So stay tuned and you'll see what this looks like in every color in this style. beautiful, long, layered, curly style. I love the layering on this. It reminds me a little bit of like Griffin by Tony of Beverly. Again, that's a 100% hand-tied wig. Beautiful, beautiful finish on this hair. You can probably tell I have a lot of studio lighting going on here right now. Look at how reflective this is in the background. But the hair in and of itself has kind of a matte finish. So even though this is synthetic, traditional Canicolon hair fiber, it could be way shinier than this, right? So it comes right out of the box with a relatively matte finish. The denier of the hair fiber is also baby fine. It's meant to mimic European human hair. That makes sense because this is a European brand. And so you'll want to make sure that you care for this very carefully. This is the Paprika mix for this particular style. And this is how I prep this wig for wear. I'm just gonna spritz, particularly at the nape. You know, I'm not like going crazy with it. I'm gonna grab a wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna gently coax that through. If you've worn the wig a while and it's tangling at the nape, use your fingers first and then see if you can work the comb in. And now I'm gonna spray even less on the outside because you don't really want it to be super shiny, right? You just want it to help separate out the layering a little bit. And after I'm done detangling it, the other thing I like to do with these long units is I flip them upside down and I gently take my finger and I coax the hair to separate. Now, if you don't like volume, don't do this step because it will make it a little bit more voluminous. This has a monofilament top. It is hand-tied. It is the same ultra-fine grade lace that you're gonna get here at the front hairline. It does have a fully hand-tied, contoured, ultra-fine Swiss lace front that goes from ear tab to ear tab. And it is pre-cut. There is a seam between the two features here. There's also fuzzy felt all the way around the perimeter of these lace features, as well as felt here on the ear tabs. There's a little bit of metal there to help keep the ear tabs in place. So make sure when you put the wig on, you put those flat up against the sides of your head. We have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. This wig fits true to size, so it is an average size wig. If you have a slightly larger head like I do, you may need a grip in order to get this wig to stay in place comfortably, or you may want to just stay away. This is really a brand that is well suited towards people who enjoy wearing Noriko wigs, Ellen Villa wigs, wigs that tend to fit a little bit on the smaller side of average. It's also wefted here on the sides and in the back. And here's what those monofilament features look like on the top of the wig. Okay, so you can see there's quite a bit of hair on here. There is no permatease in the back of this Kate wig. So that little bit of a bump it effect that you're seeing here, that will settle over time. So once you've worn the wig for a while, you washed it a couple times, that will lay a little flatter in the back because there is no permatease back here to reinforce the bump. So you can kind of see it's kind of a sleek profile to begin with, and whatever poof is there will kind of deflate with time. Beautiful curl pattern, big, open, glamorous curls. Definitely not a wave, definitely not boho. This is classic glamour girl curly curls. I love this. To me, this is like girl next door chic. You can tell I'm wearing a t-shirt today and very minimal makeup, and it still looks S-E-X-Y. It's totally cute. Just stunning styling. I think that this is a beautiful style, so don't be put off by the fact that it's kind of luxe and long, because even though it's luxe and long, t-shirt, glasses, minimal makeup, you can pull this off. Really, why not look sexy in everyday life? It's easy with wigs because you don't have to fall asleep with this thing on. You could take it off, put it on a head form, put it back on in the morning, and you're good to go. And you'll be the flyest girl in your office. You know, your husband will be like, hey, you know. I know that my husband totally digs it when I wear longer wigs. I don't know what it is. It's like they're pre-programmed to think that long hair just equals girly awesomeness. So harness your girl power energy in a wig like this beautiful Kate Mono SF, which is conveniently located at CysterWigs. So until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again next time we have a new wig to offer. Bye-bye, everybody.